Hey guys, Chris at Systainer Systems. Today we're going to show you the Attic Lid Systainer. In theory, it could be put on any of our Systainer M footprint sizes. It is a divider system that takes advantage of the space in the lid. So as you can see here, I've got all these different dividers which can be taken in and out, and it is a great place for all types of things. So you can imagine, like I have the jigsaw here. I want to keep jigsaw blades up here so they're not getting lost in the box. If I had a drill in here, I could keep my drill bits up here. Similar with your oscillating tool, you could keep your oscillating blades in here. So it's a really great quick access. It's highly visible, easy to see. And again, you don't even have to rummage around in the box. You can just open it up, access what's inside. Really great system to add to any of your boxes or to buy ready to go. Here's an example. Inside here, I've got all different types of blades. Keeps them nice and organized. And then we also have available to fit into the attic lid a few different options. We have one that looks like this. This is for SDS bits. If you had your rotary hammer, for example, you can keep up to 7 SDS bits in there. We also have another one, which is very useful. This one has these little magnets inside, so you can actually keep 1-inch bits. You could have 2-inch bits or longer. So really great to have in your drill box. And you can actually move these up and down. So there are 4 different positions. So you could have up to 4 rows in here. So that's the Attic Lid Systainer in a nutshell. Thanks for checking it out.